Hello, children. Welcome to all in online classes. I had given you these assignments also. Facts about animals and birds. Guess who am I? I am black and white in color. I cannot fly. I eat fish. Who am I? The answer is penguin. Second one, I have 8 legs. I can spin a web. Who am I? Spider. The answer is spider. Third, I am an ocean animal. I have fins to swim. My name begins with SH. Who am I? Shark. The answer is shark. I have a hood. I hiss and prey on birds and other snakes. I am found on birds. I am found on land, on trees, and in water. I am a cobra. Yes, cobra had a hood. Have a hood and hiss and prey on birds and other snakes also. Okay, children. Now 5. I am shy creature. I have 8 arms. I have 3 heads. I have 3 hearts. Who am I? I am an octopus. I am a shy creature. I have 8 arms. I have 3 hearts. I am a octopus. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.